Psychology has a lot to say about eyes, as they play a crucial role in human behavior, perception, and communication. Here are some key aspects of how psychology views eyes. 1. Nonverbal communication. Eyes are often referred to as the window to the soul, because they can convey a wealth of emotions and thoughts without the need for words. The study of nonverbal communication, including eye contact, gaze direction, and eye movements, is an essential part of psychology. Different eye expressions can indicate emotions such as happiness, sadness, fear, anger, or interest, and can help us understand what someone is feeling or thinking. 2. Eye contact. Eye contact is a vital aspect of interpersonal communication. It can convey interest, trustworthiness, and engagement, but it can also signal dominance, aggression, or discomfort. The level and frequency of eye contact vary across cultures and social contexts, and researchers in psychology study how it affects social interactions and relationships. 3. Perception and attention. The eyes are crucial for gathering visual information about the world. Perception refers to the process of interpreting and organizing sensory information, and psychologists study how our brains process visual stimuli received through the eyes. Attention plays a role in determining what we focus on in our environment, and researchers explore how eye movements and gaze patterns reflect our attentional processes. For eyewitness testimony, psychology plays a critical role in the legal system, particularly concerning eyewitness testimonies. Researchers have found that human memory is fallible and that what we perceive through our eyes can be influenced by various factors such as stress, bias, and suggestion. Understanding the limitations and biases associated with eyewitness testimony is important for ensuring a fair legal process. 5. Eye-related disorders. Psychology is also involved in studying eye-related disorders, such as visual impairments, color blindness, and eye movement disorders. Researchers explore how these conditions impact individuals' experiences and quality of life and develop interventions to help those affected. 6. Eye tracking technology. Eye tracking technology has become increasingly important in psychological research. By monitoring eye movements and fixations, researchers gain insights into cognitive processes, decision-making, and user experiences in various fields, including marketing, human-computer interaction, and education. Overall, psychology recognizes the significance of eyes in human behavior, emotions, and perception, making them a fascinating area of study with broad implications across various disciplines.